Thank you, Alka. I just want to say two sentences about, there is the world of mobile and then there is a world of issues and problems. In the world of mobile people who develop communication tools, who develop mobile, who make devices, they do not know how people are going to use it and what are the needs of the society and community. And that is where the biggest gap is. Incidentally, mobile, more than radio, more than TV, more than internet, more than any other communication tool, it is there with the people. And we are in a situation where there is no other option but to think how mobile can be used to reach to the people. But we do not, as a technology people, as a developer, as people who develop device and technology, we do not know the last mile issues and problems. And that is where this meeting is extremely important, is that everybody who is from the government department, from various, whether education and RD and WCD and so on and so forth, they are the people who are going to share with these developers, who are going to show you few examples, which is just to show you that may not solve your problem at all, but to understand from you that what exactly your need is. And we take that understanding and then develop something that is exactly required. So whether it's BSNL or Vodafone and all the developers and we as a Catalyst organization, we are here to learn from the government departments, and that is exactly the purpose of this one, is that what is your need, what are the issues there. If I say, can mobile solve a toilet problem, it sounds like a joke. How can a mobile solve a toilet problem? But I think there is a link here. You can change the habit of the people, because habitually people do not want to use the toilet because they have habitually been for centuries using, the field. So it's very difficult, but how do you communicate? If cinema can impact, the video can impact, the mobile may also impact. So the purpose of this meeting is to learn from all the people who work on the ground, and nobody works better than NGOs and government on the ground. And they need to tell us what kind of solution that is required. And we, by the end of the day, we go back with some understanding that what kind of solution we are going to provide you so that the larger problem of the people can be solved. Thank you very much.